To enable or disable outdoor mode in Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open settings on our device. We can then navigate all the way down and enter accessibility and convenience. Look for the options called outdoor mode. If you enter it, you'll be able to turn it on or off using this switch. There's also a few different options, but first let me tell you what it does. The outdoor mode increases your internet speed, provides more accurate location service, and improve app stability. But keep in mind that it's only supported by a few apps that you can see right here. Now, when this option is enabled, you can adjust rest of the settings below. You can also add it to the home screen to quickly access it. And first thing, enhanced call sound. Clear voice will turn on automatically when calls are connected. When no Bluetooth device is connected, the call sound will automatically go through the speaker and be adjusted for the maximum volume. Extend auto screen off time will turn off screen after 5 minutes of inactivity. And sound alert amplifier notifications and ringtones volumes are set to maximum to ensure you don't miss any notifications or incoming calls. So you can activate all of those options at the same time and have it in your outdoor mode. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.